Hello, welcome back to my channel. I got the wig cap on, so it's a wig review. And I do a lot of those here, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Today we have this looks so goofy. Today we have an Outre wig, and this is Miss Amara. I have done a bunch of these Outre wigs. You can see them in the playlist. Oh, and there's like a huge storm outside, so it is what it is. So Amara is in the color 2T27. I love this color in these Outre wigs. It says that she has the jagged edge cut, so it looks more realistic. Heat safe up to 400 degrees. They come in a couple colors, and I scooped her up from Wig Types for $21.79. So let's get her. This is her. This is this gorgeous 2T27 color. It goes all the way to the root, and then it gets a little bit lighter towards the bottom. She's pretty long, at least 22 inches at the very longest. Parting is pretty nice on that. This was a lace front wig. She has lace parting. She has two combs in the front, comb in the back, adjustable straps. I feel like Outre is a larger wig cap, but I'm not positive. Ooh. This is why I love this. OMGs. OMGs. I love this wig already. I know Soraya I really love, and Coco. Coco is similar to this, but the curl powder may be slightly looser. OMGs. Look at this. Beautiful layers. She does have sort of a short layer in the front, which would be good if you see this layering here, here, here. It'd be good if you needed to cut her up. All right, let me get this chick together, and then we'll see what we're talking about. All right, talking? Sorry, it's morning. I did set the top down just a little bit, and I also, so if you can see how this is coming forward, I would do a little bit more to pull this back and set heat on it so that it goes more back like this, and I did that in the back too. So just to sort of train those fibers a little bit. Yeah, she's super cute. I think she's definitely cute. Density is realistic for curly hair. It would be pretty dense here, and then it would taper off, so that's definitely realistic. It is bigger hair, so if you're not into bigger hair, I would say maybe go with Coco or Soraya, because Soraya is more of a beautiful wave. Let's look at her from the back. Oh yeah, look at that. What? Say what? Listen, yeah, people at work have to deal with me. I think this would be really cute because of this, you know, to sort of pull back and have like this going on, which would be really, really pretty. So I would say I feel the same way about her as I do, like I said, the other ones. I also have Haley, who is similar to this, that I will be reviewing soon. So I would just say, and I have them all in the same 2T27 because I just love this color. I would say if you're really into this, but it's a little too full, go with Coco. If you're really into this, but you would prefer more of a wave as opposed to a curl, go with Soraya. And then I don't know what I feel about Haley because I haven't reviewed her yet. But yeah, I like this wig. It's very comfortable. I'm into all these ones. All these in the same little, you know, they're cousins or sisters or whatever. There is another Outre wig that you would like me to review, put that down below. If there's another curly wig that you would like me to review, also put that down below. If you have her or any of the similar ones, you know, you could share your thoughts. That's what you're here for, right? We're sharing. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye.